Hey everybody, I'm here today to tell you 4 ways to help acne ASAP. I'll be going over 4 simple ways that you can help out your acne situation as soon as possible. These 4 methods are tried, tested, and true, and they will help you out quickly. Now let's get right to it. Method number 1 is to use a facial cleanser. But don't just use any facial cleanser. Use a facial cleanser that's geared towards your face type. So for instance, if you have dry skin, then you want to use a facial cleanser that is geared towards cleaning your face, but at the same time helping your dry skin. If you have sensitive skin, then you want to use a sensitive skin style facial cleanser. So you want to use a facial cleanser that will clean your face, clean your pores, but at the same time, it's going to be geared towards your skin type. Method number 2 is to use tea tree oil. Now, what you want to do is you want to take just a tiny amount of tea tree oil and apply it directly to the acne area. What it's going to do is it's going to reduce the swelling, reduce the area, reduce the redness in the area, clean up all of the germs that are contained in the area, and just generally help your acne situation. Now, what I would recommend doing with tea tree oil is I would recommend applying it right after the shower. So you want to take a shower, make sure that your face is nice and clean, and then you want to apply it to the area. You don't want to have any makeup on or anything like that, because then it might actually get the makeup further into the pores. You want to make sure that it's a completely clean surface, and then apply just a tiny amount of tea tree oil to the acne area. If you don't want to use tea tree oil, you can use method number 3, which is aloe vera gel. Now, before I continue with this one, with aloe vera gel, you shouldn't be using stuff that you buy at the grocery store. I mean, not that grocery stores don't have good products, but you need to be using natural, pure aloe vera gel. It's going to be more expensive than the stuff you can get at the grocery store and just sort of the average consumer grade stuff. But what you want to get is pure aloe vera gel. You want to get natural, pure aloe vera gel. Take some aloe vera gel, apply it to the area. Once again, after you have showered, when you don't have any makeup on, when you don't have any oil on your face or anything like that, apply the aloe vera gel to the area, and it will definitely help out. And last but not least, method number 4 is actually something to avoid, and it's avoid popping the pimples. Listen, I know that it is so tempting to go and just pop all of the pimples in your acne areas. But that is literally one of the worst things that you can do, and let me tell you why. If you pop a pimple, sure, you might pop it, it might go down, the swelling might go down, you might get, all of the stuff out of the pimple. But what might happen is you might push the germs and the bacteria further down into your pores. And then what that does is, although you pop it and it goes down, it doesn't swell, the swelling goes down right now, it comes back like 5 times worse after. So with that being said, you want to avoid popping pimples, okay? Avoid popping pimples. I literally cannot emphasize that enough. Now, you can actually use all 4 of these in conjunction with each other. You can use a facial cleanser in the morning. You can apply tea tree oil, after your shower, and then, once you clean your face again, you can apply aloe vera gel at another time. Don't use tea tree oil and aloe vera gel at the same time, but you can use them sort of back and forth in conjunction with each other, and then not popping pimples. You can make sure you're doing that all the time. You're not doing that all the time. For the best results, I would recommend using all 4 of these in conjunction with each other. Once again, just number 2 and number 3, which is the tea tree oil and the aloe vera gel. Don't use them together. You can sort of alternate. And that's what I would recommend for the best results. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Let me know what your tips are for getting rid of acne in the comment section down below. And above all, please be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.